So at Amazon MX Player, our motto is big shows, bigger reach. We are one of the largest platforms in the country, 250 million unique users and more accessing our service across our wide distribution channel every month. One big benefit that we offer to brands that come off our service. So Amazon has like significant understanding of user journeys, of user shopping. It is the largest e-commerce platform in the country. And now with MX Player coming on to Amazon, we are able to get those shopping insights to MX Player viewers as well, which we can then pass on to brands to really reach out to relevant audiences just beyond demographics or psychographics that you look at. The shopping insights matter a lot more. So now coming to the biggest show that we have coming up for the festive season, Rise and Fall. Just take a look.
ये दुनिया दो हिस्सों में बटी है, ऊंच नीच। एक तरफ माला माल जिनके इशारों पे पूरी दुनिया नाचती है, और दूसरी तरफ कंगाल जो नाचने पे मजबूर है। लेकिन किस्मत का दोगलापन मुझसे बेहतर कौन जानता है। लेकर आ रहा हूं मैं पावर का अल्टीमेट रियलिटी शो। 42 दिन, 16 जाने माने लोग और दो हिस्सों में बटा एक खेल, जहां एक तरफ ताकतवर और दूसरी तरफ कमजोर। जब नीचे वाला ऊपर आएगा और ऊपर वाला नीचे फिसल जाएगा, तब मजा तो बहुत आएगा। Rise and Fall India, only on Amazon MX Player.
So Rise and Fall is a unique social experiment, very, very different from the reality shows that you have seen on TV. It will be a show with 16 contestants who will be divided into what we call the rulers and the hustlers. The rulers will be living in an exclusive penthouse and the hustlers will be living in the basement. So it is about how the hustlers become rulers, vice versa, to really show the rise and fall in life. And who better than Ashneer Grover, who has experienced it self over the last couple of years, and he's been like very vocal about it, will be the unique game master that we will have. So one thing in Amazon MX Player that we do is we try to coincide our largest shows with the shopping sale events that Amazon does, because that's when brands see the maximum traction. They can use the video service to build a lot of awareness about the products and then follow it up with Amazon e-commerce ads to really build that full funnel from upper funnel to lower funnel with respect to purchases. This show is going to see contestants from all walks of life, including socio-political, Bollywood kids, sports kids, etc., to really bring in that drama element. This is how the house is going to be looking like, which I told you, the ultra luxurious penthouse. You have the living room where you can find organic placements for all the products which are suited for the living room, including your home entertainment systems, your appliances, your decor, furnishings, etc. We have a very spacious kitchen, again a great place, to celebrate some of your organic fruit brands, your appliances for the kitchen and more. We also have a great wardrobe where we are showing a transformation of how a hustler or a worker becomes a ruler and will be exposed to this. And also bedrooms which will be speaking luxury. This is something which can work with a lot of categories on, like the game show Money can be crypto coins, for example, which the contestants can win throughout, the entire season. So yeah, that's it pretty much from my side. I hope this, gave you an idea of how we are working with brands. Like we say at Amazon, it's still day one. We're doing a lot more. This is just the beginning, and hoping to meet you after this session if you have any questions. Thank you.